Get the best Jersey Village chiropractic adjustments for pain relief and recovery. Restoring the optimal alignment of your spine will help you feel more relaxed, eliminate your pain, and promote faster recovery. If you're in the Houston area, Dr. Jeffrey Garner offers the professional chiropractic adjustments you need. The clinic offers a personalized chiropractic solution for sports and work injuries, lower back pain, sciatica, headaches, neck pain and more. Jeffrey Garner uses the GPA, gravitational pattern alignment, protocol to promote optimal postural balance and correct spinal misalignment. Contact us at jeffmg@yahoo.com.